Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your real estate listings into eye-catching video ads using RenderLion's Property Listing to Video Maker. Start by logging into your RenderLion account. Then, head to the Property Listing to Video Maker tool and click on Convert Listings to Video, or just hit Content to Video from the top menu like I did. Easy! Now it's time to add your listing details. For this example, I used a property titled Fully Furnished 3-Bedroom Detached House in Coral Bay, Paphos, Cyprus. The listing includes the surface area, price, key features, and the real estate agency name. I also uploaded a few property photos to showcase the space. Once everything's ready, hit the Generate button and let the AI take over. RenderLion will analyze your content, craft a voiceover ad, create slide text, and generate your video layout, all in under a minute. And boom! Just like that, we've got 3 video preview examples ready to go. Now, let's talk about styling your video to match your brand. Click the Style button and select a pre-made brand kit if you've already created one. This keeps your real estate video ad consistent with your brand colors, fonts, logo, name, and more. If you don't have a brand kit saved yet, no problem. Just leave it on random, like I did, and let RenderLion's AI handle the creative direction for you. Next, I picked an ambient music track as the background sound for my video ad. But you can also keep this step on random. RenderLion will auto-select the music that fits your content's vibe. Now let's jump into editing. Click the Edit Content button to adjust your video. In my case, I rearranged the order of the property photos and changed the voice style. You can also modify the text-to-speech script. Update the slide text for a more customized message. Once you're happy, click Update, and boom! Your changes are applied instantly to the preview examples. And don't forget, every RenderLion video is automatically generated in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. You can switch the preview mode anytime. For this tutorial, I set mine to landscape, perfect for real estate ads on YouTube, websites, or widescreen displays. Click the New Instant Hunt button and let the magic begin. With each click, RenderLion generates a fresh set of 3 animated property ad previews, and it all happens in under a second. Hover over each preview to see the animation in action. If one catches your eye, just click Save, and it'll be stored in your My Videos section for later use. Hit New Instant Hunt as many times as you like. It's like a creative slot machine. Every click applies new layouts, motion effects, transitions, and styles instantly, so you can explore countless variations until you find the perfect one. There are thousands of possible combinations, all tailored to your property listing. For me, I'm stopping right here. This one looks perfect, so I'm clicking on it and heading to the next step. Once you've picked your favorite animated property ad preview, remember, you can still edit it, tweak the voice settings, or even save it as a template for future real estate videos. But for now, I'm ready. So I'm clicking the Render to Download button to transform this preview into a high-resolution video, complete with music and voiceover. I'm also rendering it in portrait and square formats. Just switch the size using the preview controls, then click Render to Download again. Easy. This way, I've got the same listing video prepped for any platform, from Facebook and Instagram to TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more. The rendering might take a few minutes, depending on video length, size, and effects, but trust me, it's worth the short wait. And boom, my property video has finished rendering. Now I can download it and start using it instantly across all major formats: square, portrait, and landscape. Perfect for sharing across real estate websites, social media platforms, email campaigns, and more. And here's a bonus: RenderLion also provides a full set of thumbnail images for each video size. These are ideal for use on your website, newsletters, email blasts, or anywhere you want a visual teaser. And that's it. I hope this tutorial showed you just how easy it is to turn a basic property listing into a powerful animated video ad in just a few clicks. Now, it's your turn. Head over to RenderLion.com, drop in your property info, and turn listings into shareable, scroll-stopping video content. Turn listings into leads with RenderLion AI Video Generator.